Hey guys, what's poppin'? It is Savage Ready back with another video, and today you guys, well, Aiden, Savage Aiden, commented that I should jump the go-kart off the ramp. If you guys don't know what ramp I'm talking about, let me come over here and show you guys this ramp. And you guys remember the go-kart. If you guys are new, you'll see the go-kart later in the video, but you guys probably, most of you guys probably remember the go-kart. So we're going to be jumping the go-kart off the ramp. Now, I have tried this before, and let me tell you two things. First try, it worked having the bare ramp. It was the shorter version. Then my dad decided to put car stoppers under the ramp to make it steeper, and I go to jump it, and I nosedive, and the go-kart's over top of me, leaking gas on me, and it was just crazy. But it was also fun. So, yeah, let's get the go-kart out now. Okay guys, so this is going to be the startup on the go-kart. Like I said, you guys will see this later in the video, so yeah. Okay, I'll see you guys when we jump off the ramp. Hey guys, so now's me jumping the go-kart off the ramp. If you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe. This is for 40 subscribers. So yeah guys, if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you do not miss any of my videos. Drop a like and comment down below what you want me to, no, because I already have, what am I doing? Okay, so comment what next cool thing you want me to do, like a Nerf war, racing, like a drag race. Comment if you want me to do like top speed runs. I don't care. I'll do it. Just comment that down below. And if you guys are wondering about, I don't know if I probably will have to cut the video, but it was right up here. I drifted around, and the chain popped off right there. Although I did get some good drag. Oh yeah, this is not markings from just when I just went around on the go-kart. Those are actually, one night I drove the go-kart around the backyard so many times and it tore the grass up. So now I kind of have a little bit of a bald backyard. Yeah, we had a drift right here, and then the chain pops off. Because it has a straight axle, the go-kart does. I'm sorry guys. It when you drift, it's hard on the chain, so the chain will pop off, and it sucks. But yeah, like I said, if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit that like button, hit the notification bell if you do, so you do not miss any of my videos. Comment, like I said, what's a cool thing you want me to do next, and there's this tree break from my way, and shout out to Savage Aiden, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.